Hello everyone, this is Miss Mariana, and during this video I will teach you how to tune your ukulele. For this video you're going to need an electronic tuner such as this one, which is called Guitar Tuner. You can just go to your app store and download it right there. Okay, because this is what's going to help us know whether the ukulele is in tune or not. Now, how do we know if the ukulele is in tune? The ukulele has 4 strings, each one with a different note name. The first one is A, second one E, third C, and last G. Okay, so when we finger pick each string individually, if the note that shows in the tuner is the note of its name, of the name of the string, then it is in tune. So, let's try one. Okay, let's try the first string. I just tuned it for you so that you would see. Now right now it's showing us an A. Okay, that's the name of the string. It's green and the cursor is in the middle. All of those signs tell us that that first string is in tune. Also, this app makes it easy for you because it tells you which tuning peg to move. Okay, the first one to the right here. Okay, now we're going to go through each string, tuning them individually right now. There are 2 ways that the ukulele or any note could be out of tune. They could be either too high or sharp, or too low and flat. If it's too high, you're going to see that the cursor is going to move to the right. If it's too low, the cursor is going to move to the left. Okay? So, for this video, since we're beginners, or you are a beginner, I would recommend that you hold your ukulele and you rest it in your left thigh or your right thigh, whichever one you prefer. And you're going to be moving the tuning pegs, the right tuning pegs with your right hand, down or up, and the left tuning pegs with your left hand. And you're going to be finger picking with your thumbs. Okay? Your right thumb and your left thumb. Okay, so let's try the first string, the A. Okay, so now it is showing us an A, but the cursor is to the right, which means that it is too high. Okay, and it's also red. All indications that it's too sharp or too high. Now, in the right 2 pegs, the ones for the A and the E string, if the sound is too high, we're going to move the tuning peg up. So with your thumb and your index finger, you're going to hold the tuning peg and you're going to move up slowly, little by little. You don't want to make fast or too big movements, okay? And you want to be finger picking them with your left hand thumb, because the tuner needs to have a constant sound to pick up the note, okay? See, we're getting closer to the middle. And we're in tune. Okay, that was easy. I hope you were able to follow along. Now let's try the second string, the E string. Okay, right now it's showing us a C, but that string is supposed to be an E. So how do we know what to do? Well, we have to refer back to the order of the music notes, which is just like the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And this continues. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A forever, pretty much. Okay? So, right now, we're supposed to be at an E, but we're at a C. Now, as you see, the C comes before the E, so it means that we are lower than we're supposed to. Okay? It means that we're very flat. We need to get to this E, but we're at C. So that means that we're very, very, very flat. So, if in the right 2 pegs, if the note is too flat, we're going to move the tuning peg down. Remember, little by little. See, we already have an E. Always do it little by little. And we're in tune. Okay, so we already already tuned the first two strings, A and E, the right two pegs. Now we're gonna move to the other two strings, C and G, which corresponds to the left pegs. Now we're gonna be using the left hand to move the left pegs. And whatever we did to the right pegs, we're going to do the opposite to the left. Okay? So you're going to see, it's a little bit confusing, but if you have the paper that I sent you, please put it in front of you so that you can follow along. If you don't have the paper, I will link it in the video so that you can look at it in your tablet or print it if you like. Okay? So let's try the C string now. Okay, so it's showing us a C, but the cursor is to the left. That means that it is too low or too flat. That's the music term, flat. It means it's too low. So in the left pegs, if it is too low, we are going to move up. There we go. We got to the middle, it's green, we're in tune. Okay? Okay? It was too low, so the left pegs, we move up. In the right pegs, it's the opposite. If it's too low, you move down. In the left pegs, if it's too low, we move up. Okay? Now let's go to the last string. We're supposed to be a G, okay? It's the G string, but right now we have an A, a perfect A, okay? Now let's refer back to our music notes. We have an A, but we're supposed to have a G, okay? So that means the G is before the A. The A is after the G, so that means that it's too high. We need to go back to the G, okay? So if the note is too high in the left pegs, we're going to move down. We're already at a G. We're getting closer. And we're in tune. Okay? So we already tuned all four strings. I hope you were able to follow along, and if not, this time, I'm sure with practice, you will be able to master the art of tuning your ukulele, which is very important. You always want to tune your ukulele before you start playing or practicing, okay? Now, once we become more advanced, then we can tune the ukulele in playing position, okay? And then we only use the left hand to move all the pegs down or up. But I will make a different video to show you how to do this later on. Okay? Well, I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope to see you again. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and follow us. Bye!